Time to give this M340i more power and more sound thanks to AC Schnitzer. So as you'll have already seen, I've got cracking on the car and started getting everything stripped off. Over here is a whole host of parts that are going to be going back on it in their replacement. So as at the start of the video, most of this is thanks to AC Schnitzer. We have got little goodies here to go on the steering wheel in the form of some magnetic paddles from our friends at Werks. So they'll be going on just as a nice little finisher for the driver. So AC Schnitzer, they offer this rear slip-on silencer. So stainless silencer, stainless pipework with carbon fibre tips, of course. Dual valves, upgraded from the singular valve that's currently on the car. And we might have a little bit of spice to add to that in the form of a dAHler valve kit to give override capability versus what's on the car. From what we can tell, it only gives you the valve when it wants to. There's no option to override that, even in the customization of the sports menu in the center of the car. So that's that. But what about the power, we hear you ask? So here we have, as seen before on some mini adventures, an AC Schnitzer tuning box. So this car, 25 plate, only 8,000 miles, obviously brand spanking new, basically, box fresh, well within its manufacturer's warranty period, and this retains that warranty or overrides it, however you wish to look at it. So this is plug and play performance upgrade from AC Schnitzer. As you can see here, you've got the AC Schnitzer control box and the associated wiring loom, which will then tap into all of the original equipment. So no need to modify any wiring or any bits and pieces attached to the car. So again, all good from a warranty standpoint, which is also backed up by AC Schnitzer and their heritage and connection with BMW. So big deal, big project for this and for the customer. So we really appreciate him bringing the car down. I'm going to get cracking to get this installed on the car. Stay tuned. Watch me get my hands dirty, and then at the end hopefully hear the vast improvement of the AC Schnitzer rear silencer and valve control that we're hopefully going to give the car as well. So as you've just seen and most importantly heard, that's a wrap on Troy's M340i. We're all quite impressed with the outcome of this one. So for me it sounds very reminiscent of what you'd expect a 40i model to sound like before all of the exhaust filtration and particulate filters got chucked on there. So really nice sounding at the back. Starting from the front, as you've seen from the B-roll, we've installed the AC Schnitzer tuning box. I've done my very best to hide it all out of the way. But what it does give you is pretty much 15% increase in power and a 20% increase in torque, which is what you're really going to notice. So yeah, it should be a nice punch in the mid-range from the torque there. So that's all at the front end. Obviously some nice little detailed stickers and plaques to show off the fact that that's installed. Then from the driver's point of view, you've got the Werks Mad Trace magnetic shifter paddles on the steering wheel. So they're there again just to give you that nice audible and physical feedback from when you're shifting gear using the paddles. And then lastly to the rear, where we've got the exhaust system. So we've got the AC Schnitzer rear half exhaust system, which has gone on coupled with the dAHler valve control kit. So not only have you got the added noise from the AC Schnitzer system, but also the added control from the dAHler remote. And what that also means is we've replaced the factory standard trapezoid rear exhaust trims, which are mounted to the body, with the carbon fibre AC Schnitzer branded rear tailpipe trims, which are mounted on the exhaust. So all that's left to say is thank you very much to AC Schnitzer and dAHler for the help in this one. Also Werks for the paddles. And lastly to you guys for watching this video and staying tuned until this point. Like, share, subscribe as always is greatly appreciated. And until next time, thank you very much. See you then.